Now the next thing on the list would be the E3 fault code. E3 and E6 are more board issues, but it's dealing with how the board is sensing the gas valve. And that's electronics that just a little bit over my head.
Yeah.
Because it's not just reading the circuit. Because if I have a bad coil, I won't get an E3. I'll just get no ignition. If the gas valve doesn't turn on or if there's no gas, you'll just get no ignition in E2 fault code. Now, of course, you can check continuity on the gas valve as well.
What about 6?
E6 basically is another issue. Like I said, there's two ways the board reads the gas valve.
Oh, yeah.
E6 is the second fault code you get.
And for E6 is the same solution as 3, and that is replace the board.
We have a bad board.